We just received some fantastic feedback with a glowing 5-star review, and now comes the fun part, sharing it with you. We're happy to say this is just one of many. We're really motivated to hear we've made so many people happy. We work with everyone individually to reach our 5-star service goal. Our approach really is one experience at a time. It's that simple. Let us help you with our excellent service backed by years of experience. We'd love the chance to give you a 5-star experience too. We want to thank you for checking us out today. You can call us at the number on the screen. We hope to hear from you soon.